Today we have these 3 watches. I got them from my graduation, kindergarten graduation. I like them. But guess who's going to first grade? Me! Guess who's graduating kindergarten? Kaylee! Kaylee! These are graduation books. So let's open one. It has a camera. Gotta charge it. And the L.O.L one has to charge, so we have to charge it! Charge. Then it needs to charge, and I'm gonna open this JoJo watch. But the JoJo watch is so amazing, and I always watch her. She's so cute. I'm gonna have my JoJo watch and my JoJo bow. It's really in there. Really hard to get out. So I'm just gonna ask my mom.
Wow!
It lights up. Ooh, look how it lights up. It's so cool. JoJo's time, JoJo's time, JoJo's time. Wait, what? I can change the numbers. It's at 4 o'clock. I love this JoJo watch. So, right here. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of packages in it. Woohoo! Okay, guys, let's open it now. Whoa! Look how many packages is that?
O.M.G.
That's like a lot. What? It has packages in it. I didn't know this L.O.L box was so full. Okay, first up is this pack. Guys, look, I broke into the look. I need to take it out because this was a kindergarten shoe. So I need to break it off or like do something with it. Ooh, it looks like a stage. Next up, this one. Ooh, look. Ooh. Always ask your parents when you use the scissors. Ooh, it's a car. Guitar. These feel like shoes. Oh, look at it. L.O.L. It's a dance star. I've never had an L.O.L doll. This is my first L.O.L doll. I wish I had more. She has an ugly shirt. Put on my shirt. Time to get dressed for my concert. I'm gonna get everyone there's another co. My charger. Guys, look what it goes to. You touch this, and then this here to her guitar. Now her guitar is charging. Ooh! Look, she's drinking. Her coffee is gonna be right there. Oh! She comes with her pants. Whoa! So small, you can't even see them. Okay, guys, I didn't show you the front. The front looks so cute. She's grunge. She's a grunge girl. I guess this is how they dress. I'm thirsty. Give me some grunge. Whoa. Good, delicious.
Yum.
Oh, this is where grunge girl stands. This is where the mice stands. Who's going to first grade? You, Kaylee. And you rock and roll it. And you rock and roll it. And you. She lost all her stuff.
Oh no!
Where's my coffee? Give me my coffee. She's pretty mean. He doesn't even take a shower. I'm more of a pretty girl and more than a grunge girl. Like, she's at home and her floor is like adorned. And she has her coffee, and that's like a nice, pretty girl. But if you do like this, I want some coffee for Joe. Okay, let's put on another shirt on her. We're gonna make her something else. Not a grunge girl. She's gonna have a mermaid costume. It's cute. Or like she's at home. She's gonna be like even better than like a grunge girl. See? Look! She can be like this. At houseless, singing a nice song. Her new outfit. Yeah, her name is Mermaid Girl.